So maintenance factor or light loss factor, a very important point I would be emphasizing much in deep while I would be going through the Dialux presentation. So maintenance factor is basically a factor that represents the average to initial luminance of a lighting system. I repeat, a factor or ratio of average to the initial luminance ratio of a lighting system. So what happens when a new light fixture is, we have seen in our household also. So if you purchase a new light fixture, be it of any reputed brand, it will give you a lumen output of maximum which it's rated for. But as the days passes by, its output gets reduced gradually, right? So that reduction or the average light after a point of time to its initial output is regarded as the maintenance factor of that particular light fixture. So it basically represents the depreciation and deterioration of a lighting system caused because of the following factors. So the first factor of maintenance is called the lamp lumen depreciation, LLD. So loss of lamp lumen as a result of aging. So as a part of aging, there is a depreciation of the lumens output of the light fixture. Now, for a very good reputed vendor, this lumen depreciation is relatively low and the graph is very less steep. But if you go for a non-branded or a less, a branded vendor, the relatively the lumen output depreciation is more in that case, right? Second is called the luminary dirt depreciation. Now consider I have purchased a lighting fixture, well glass 45 watt lighting fixture, and I have fixed it outdoor in one of my process plant. Now because of this chemical fumes, dust, rain, everything, so all those dirt will get accumulated into this lamp and definitely a layer would be formed, right, which we call as glare sometimes, which would impact or which would not allow the light fixture to throw the exact lumen output which it is throwing out to the exact calculation surface. So that is also one important point called the luminary dirt depreciation. While point A, it is not in our hands, but point B definitely we can take with good maintenance schedule so that the dust is not accumulated and time to time it is being removed from the lamp so that proper output is delivered at the calculation surface. Third would be the differences between actual design lamp voltages. Yeah, so I would like to emphasize here that voltages also play a very important role. So power is equal to V into I, we all know. So if for a constant power delivery, voltage is inversely proportional to current. So if there is a increase in the voltage, then there would be an output less in the current of the driver. So that would also impact your output or lumen output of the particular light fixture. So usually the maintenance factor varies from 0.5 to 0.8 and will depend on the type of light source and the schedule of cleaning which we discussed in luminar dirt depreciation. So if we are installing a light fixture from a 20 years perspective, let's say my design life would be 20 years. So we have to properly select the number of working hours, maintenance cycle, maintenance factor, so that proper light fixtures can be designed post that at least till the design life of the light fixture, and also post that it would be able to deliver that lumen output. I would be emphasizing this with an example in the forthcoming presentation when we are discussing on the Dialux presentation.